Hello everybody, welcome to this BCF tutorial session where we're going to talk about how you could raise your productivity with the help of BCF. We are here with this BCF test center and we're in the design stage, and I'm going to introduce to you our design team. So our architect Gabor, please say hi. Gabor.
Hi, this is Gabor. I'm product manager at Graphisoft, located in Budapest, Hungary. In this demo, I'll be the architect, designing with AutoCAD.
Yes, and we have our structural or mechanical engineer, that's Kenneth. Kenneth.
Hi, this is Kenneth. I'm the CTO in DDS, located in Norway. I'm the mechanical engineer in DDS CAD.
Yes, and our structural engineer Mikko. Mikko, please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Mikko. I'm software manager in Trimble. I'm structural engineer working from Finland.
Yes, and I am Matthijs Natrop. I'm the project coordinator. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm also with the Benelux chapter of Building Smart, and Building Smart International is our client for whom we construct this BCF test center. So let's head to our project. It's with the BIM coordination platform with Aconex, and this allows us to use the open standard. So it actually works with the BCF API for the server connection, and you can also create and upload the file-based BCF XML. So these are our models, and we're here in the design stage, and this is our project. It's a 4-story building with offices. So this is where all the testing takes place. So we have this request for change from the client, and it's about the main entrance. The client is talking about a disinfection area for people before entering the room. So I'm not sure, Gabor, could you help and create a proposal for the entrance, near the entrance, to create some sort of a transparent room for disinfection? I'm not sure what your thoughts are here, Gabor.
Sure. So as the building's facade is made of glass, this area should be transparent as well, and is in the middle of the entrance. So I'd like to avoid any columns which would obstruct the view. So perhaps a self-supporting glass wall would do just fine.
Okay. I guess Mikko and Kenneth, what do you think? Is there a need for change with this request for change within your design?
Yeah, from my side, I wouldn't be quite sure yet, so I would like to see how this would come out after Gabor have done his work.
Mikko?
It's about the same, that what kind of structure there will be, so maybe it needs to be supported and stabilized from the roof structures and have the ceiling also.
So let's, I'll just create here an issue, and that's for you, Gabor, so to take notice of this request, and do your thing. So I'll make this an issue for information for you to work with. Do you think you can handle this within the next week, Gabor?
Yes. I will import the BCF into the project and create a proposal, and we'll come back to you.
Okay, nice. I hope we can really create a good proposal for our client. So I'm just gonna end this issue here. The main entrance. I think this is enough for you, alright? So thank you all for now, and we'll get back when there's a proposal from Gabor. Yes? So thanks for now.
So based on the client's request, disinfection area must be installed at the entrance. the request for change is coming from the BCF 2.1 format, from the project coordinator, which gives a better understanding of the task. Now you can see the image where the modification must be installed, and double-clicking the view reveals the place in the model. So the entrance requires a slight modification, and additional elements must be placed to create such area. Using ArcAD's curtain wall tool, it's easy to adjust the model. With the favorites option, it's easy to change the revolving door to a sliding one, which suits more the current design. So I'm placing the walls here, just made of glass. So the whole area can be placed, created. And the walls are aligned to the existing structure. And again, the favorite helps to quickly adjust the settings and place the internal sliding door. Additional modification can be applied if needed. And here you can see the proposal in 3D. This is done. After the capture model is ready to be shared. The exported IFC model with all the necessary data is being uploaded to the project's collaboration platform, Econex.
So here we are with Solibri Office to validate the models. And I have this live connector with the Econex server. So here I can connect and synchronize all issues so far. Most of them are closed. Those are from earlier in design stage, and yeah, now we are here with this issue I've created before, and we actually see the request for change. So I created a classification for only these objects, so I can validate them and check if there's some intersections with different disciplines. So therefore I use the checker function. It's here, and I created a rule set to easily see if there's any duplicates or intersections. And there actually is, so here is an intersection between a beam and a wall. So I can easily create an issue by saying add slide and yeah, choose what title and description. So if I refer to this request for change, then Gabor knows enough. So here I set his responsibility, and I can do the same with some structural intersections. So actually these glass walls are intersecting with the next floor. So I can do the same, say this is for Gabor, and whenever he has his notifications on, whenever the server is done synchronizing, then he might get a message here as well. And so when I add slide and give it this description with the components, there's also all the components involved with this, and this could really help Gabor in the next stage, maybe Kenneth, to find these objects. So I'm going to import these into the live connector. There's no value conversion needed. And here they are. So now my project team knows to find them as well. So yes, we're back here with the BCF Center. Gabor, you've been busy creating this proposal. Can you tell something about this proposal?
Yes, as I mentioned, the disinfection area should be transparent as the facade of the building. So it was made of the glass wall, and the revolving door has to be changed to a sliding one. And this allows the visitors to enter the area, disinfect their hands, and enter the building itself.
Yeah, it seems nice, Gabor. So I did a model check and I saw some issues creating here with the structural and the MEP components. Kenneth, what are your thoughts about this?
Yeah, I see that the ducts is of course that it needs to be lifted above the glass, or the glass needs to be lowered also, and yeah, also the pipes are in the way, so perhaps the glass needs to be done something, provision for void or something like that.
Like we discussed previously already, supporting the stabilizing this structure from the roof is something that we need to do if we lower the glass level here.
Okay, so sorry.
No, go ahead.
Okay, so I will address the issues I created with Solibri to you, Kenneth, and Miko, and Gabor, so we can solve these issues and create a nice proposal to present to the client next time. So thank you for now, and good luck with your design, and please upload it to Aconex, I hope within the week, and we'll see where we're at for the next meeting.
So after the coordination meeting, the BCF can be imported back to AutoCAD, and according to the information, the view can be applied. So here we can see the same view the project coordinator seeing in his application. According to the request for change, the model can be adjusted, and whenever this adjustment is ready, IFC file can be exported from AutoCAD and can be sent to other disciplines.
I have my Tekla structures open here, starting this task, opening the BCF commenting tool and dropping the BCFs from the Aconex here, and see there are 4 of those related to this one, and I'm checking that okay, reference model is visible first, and then looking a bit, one of those is for me, but maybe I will check first this architecture one to see that from the snap picture I'm not using the latest reference models from other disciplines, so I will first update IFCs from architect and mechanical, and then I will check these BCFs again. I need to do this ceiling portion here. The model is clipped pretty nicely here, and architecture one looks now better with the latest IFC models. So okay, I need to start modeling this area now. So first I need to create a view to model when I'm taking the level elevation of this ceiling structure, and then I create view to that level, and then I can restrict the area with the work area. Then I do the modeling here now of these structures, adjusting the right position and yeah, the direction. I want to do a bit more detailed, raising a bit level of development. Even this is design phase, so it looks better and is more ready for fabrication. I'm doing some cutting here for these structures. So this is how it looks like now. There seems to be some collisions. I think Kenneth will solve those. So I need to create update IFC to project base point coordinate system, and then I'm ready to upload it to Aconex.
Yeah, at this point inside EDSCAD, I've already uploaded the models from Aconex, checking out the viewpoints for the issues. You see that I can go directly to the pipes, and I do see there is some collision there. And as you see here, I can select a duct and directly hover to the duct issue, which is very nice. So I need to fix these, but of course I need to get a better overview of what I'm gonna do for the piping and the ducts. So I think I need to rise the duct and perhaps move the piping away. I set this into process, and then I would do this. So this is the air handler, which have the side connection. It would be much better, of course, to make sure it's a top connection, and then I would have to lower the handler according to suspended ceiling, making sure that we get the correct positioning for the air handler. And then directly I can connect to the connection points inside the duct and directly to the product, which is a very nice automatic connection for this purpose. And it looks very good. Nicely flushed. So I'm done with this. I can continue on the pipes.
So here we are again with Solibri, and I've just seen all this new information with this request for change that has been now the complete different entrance here, the main entrance. So I have the BCF Live connector, and that's where I have the issues from the past. And I can connect to this server. So we can actually see what has been communicated before, like here with the intersection, and we can see now there is no more intersection. So yeah, let's see the same with this. Here's the air handler now within this nice ceiling that's been created by Miko. This up here is the room itself, and here in this viewpoint we now have a panel I can hide, and here's the original viewpoint that's also here with the details. Yes, as we can see here with the original issue, there were pipes here going through this steel structure, and obviously Kenneth has done a great job. Here the beam is gone as well, and these intersections with the and Explorer also gone. So yeah, this seems all fine, and yes, it seems like a nice job. So now we can ask the computer to check for us as well, and it actually says okay, and there still is one intersection here. That's obviously because it is within the ceiling, but this is a good enough reference for the next stage. So this request for change is now validated and okay to go to the next stage and to be presented to our client. So we're back here, and I have these new revisions for the model data you've been creating, and now we have our actual request for change. So yeah, I've done this model check and it all seems fine. So thank you all for this collaboration here for this request for change. I've been talking to the client, Building Smart International, and they are very enthusiastic about this disinfection area that's been created within this short amount of time. So about this workflow, what do you think was most effective about this Gabor?
I think it's really powerful that I can see the model from the same angle as you did, so I could really focus on the topic and avoid the rest of the model.
The angle I created with my issue, you mean?
Yes.
The viewpoint, yeah. Okay, Miko. Miko, what do you think is powerful about this workflow?
What are you saying and showing is now that these clip lanes, when those clip lanes are same way in this BCF, it makes it very easy to see portion from the building.
So a better understanding what and where the issue is. Okay, and Kenneth, do you have something additional?
Yeah, it's very, very nice that it's possible to have the objects also within the issue. So the user can select the object in the issue and hover directly to the issue by selection or the application functionality.
Yeah. So I think this was a demo about how we can create a design and change the design from with a team that's really anywhere in the world, working with open standards and different platforms and also different authoring tools. Because we can all communicate with BCF, it doesn't really matter what kind of tool we use, we can fit it within our workflow. So thank you all for now, and hope to see you with our next design meeting somewhere. Please wave to the camera.
Bye.